So many butterflies and bees. They're so pretty. Come here, Daisy. Come on, Walter. Let's go this way. I want to show y'all about those plants that come in from Scotland and bring prosperity and abundance and love and luck. Look, they have sprouted. And that's what they turn into. And they're different from dandelions. Cause see, and got some new ones coming in. A lot of bees over here. Over here. Come on, Walter. Butterflies. Hold on, the dog got me wrapped up, y'all. See all the butterflies flying. And then there's some new ones coming in up here. Yep, got some new ones coming in.